Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to enable auto brightness mode setting in our Oppo phone and guys how to use it. In this video guys I will show you, don't worry. So friends, today guys we will talk about display and brightness setting one by one, step by step. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your auto brightness, and guys how can you use in your Oppo phone. In this video I will tell you. So scroll it and guys you can see display and brightness setting, and tap here and guys again scroll, then guys you can see your auto brightness mode setting. So by right side guys you can see this icon on your screen. So friends, you want to enable and guys you want to use your auto brightness setting, so you can enable from here. And friends, you can see after enable guys brightness decrease automatic, because guys I am inside, and guys when I will go outside guys you can see my brightness increase and decrease automatic. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable auto brightness in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.